What's up, guys? Today we're going to be washing the CRV electric pressure washer. This is what I usually use, the chemical guys, and the pressure washer came with the one of these foam cannons. Works pretty decently, so you'll see. And I got Hydrosilex. They sent me what do you call it, ceramic coating. So I guess you use this to remove any grease or wax that's currently on there, and this is the actual ceramic coat. So we're gonna do this today. Let's get it started. So I had about, there's barely anything in there. The rest is just pretty much water. I fill it up to this level. Pretty much all you need for this. Alright, it's time to put these on. First I'm going to use this, kind of go over the whole body. And here is our ceramic coating. Put some gloves on and let's get it started. So I'm even doing this on the plastics. Make sure I ceramic coat this too. I'm putting the product on. I'll come back with the microfiber and get it in there. Alright guys, that's it. If you like their product, check it out. Hydrosilex USA. Check me out on Instagram, Eat Sleep JD. Till next time.